September 6th, 2023. NASA's telescopes suddenly light up. An alert goes out. Somewhere in the universe, 4.7 billion light years away, something just exploded with unimaginable violence. This kind of alert happens. Scientists are used to it. They track the signal, locate the source, and write it up. Standard procedure. Except this time, when they looked closer at exactly where this explosion happened, every single scientist in the room stopped. Because it was in a place where this should have been impossible. A place they had never seen before. A place that, technically, shouldn't even exist the way it did. And when they pulled all the data together, this one explosion in this one impossible location quietly answered two of the biggest unsolved mysteries in space science. Two questions that had been sitting unanswered for years. This is that story. And it starts not with the explosion, but with a mystery that had been driving scientists absolutely crazy. For years, scientists had been detecting these enormous explosions in space called gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the known universe. When two dead stars crash into each other, they release more energy in a fraction of a second than our sun will release in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. Now, every explosion has a home, a galaxy it came from, like every fire has a building it started in. When scientists detected these gamma-ray bursts, they would look for the host galaxy, the home, the origin. But sometimes, they found nothing. No galaxy, no home. Just a massive explosion floating in the middle of empty space, with no address. Like a fire with no building. For years, scientists scratched their heads. Where did these explosions come from? Did the stars get kicked out of their galaxy before they crashed? Did something else cause the explosion? Nobody had a satisfying answer. Mystery number one, unsolved, filed away, waiting. Now let's talk about mystery number two, because this one involves something far more personal. Mystery 2. Gold floating where it shouldn't be. Gold, platinum, silver, these heavy elements don't just appear from nowhere. They can't be made inside a normal star. The temperatures are not high enough. The only known way to create them in large quantities is through an incredibly violent event, like two dead stars crashing into each other. When two neutron stars smash together, the collision is so powerful that it triggers a chain of reactions that literally cooks brand new heavy elements. Gold, platinum. Then the explosion scatters them across space. Over billions of years, that scattered material gets pulled together by gravity into new stars, new planets. So scientists knew gold comes from neutron star crashes. Fine, understood. But here's the problem. Astronomers kept finding gold and platinum in old stars. Stars sitting far out in the edges of galaxies, far from the center, far from where most star activity happens. Stars that formed very early in the universe, before there had been enough neutron star crashes nearby to explain the gold they contained. How did the gold get there? Neutron star crashes were supposed to happen in galaxies, not out in the lonely edges of empty space. The math didn't add up. The gold was where it shouldn't be. Mystery number 2, also unsolved, also filed away. Two open cases, no answers. Until one Tuesday morning in September 2023. Now, before I tell you what NASA found, let me quickly explain what a neutron star actually is. Because once you understand what these things are, the fact that two of them crashed will hit you completely differently. Trust me. A neutron star is what gets left behind when a massive star, much bigger than our sun, runs out of fuel, collapses under its own weight, and then explodes outward in a supernova. What remains after that explosion is the core, compressed, squeezed by gravity so hard that all the empty space between particles is crushed out. What you're left with is something the size of a small city, maybe 20 kilometers across. Smaller than Mumbai, smaller than London, but with more mass than our entire sun. To put that in simple terms, if you took a teaspoon of neutron star material and brought it to Earth, it would weigh about 1 billion tons. 1 teaspoon. These are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They don't burn, they don't shine like regular stars. They just sit there, spinning, dense, violent, waiting. And sometimes two of them find each other. They begin to orbit, slowly at first, then faster, spiraling inward, closer and closer over millions of years, until finally they merge in one catastrophic collision. That is what NASA detected on September 6, 2023. Except where it happened, nobody expected. Here is where this story goes from interesting to genuinely game-changing. Because what NASA found when 4 of its most powerful space telescopes all pointed at the same spot was something that had never been seen before in the entire history of astronomy. When NASA's Fermi telescope first caught the explosion, it detected the signature of a neutron star crash. Standard so far. Then they used 3 more telescopes, Chandra, Swift and Hubble, to zoom in and find the exact location. And Hubble revealed something extraordinary. The explosion had happened inside a tiny galaxy, so small, so faint that no telescope had ever noticed it before. It was essentially invisible, buried inside a massive river of gas stretching 600,000 light years long, 6 times the width of our entire Milky Way, just floating in the space between galaxies. But where did that river of gas come from? When scientists traced it back, they found that hundreds of millions of years earlier, an entire group of galaxies had collided with each other. That older, massive collision had ripped gas and dust out of those galaxies and scattered it into space, creating this enormous river. Inside that river, over hundreds of millions of years, gravity slowly pulled the gas together, building a tiny new galaxy. That tiny galaxy then formed stars. Those stars eventually died, became neutron stars, and ultimately crashed. As one scientist put it perfectly, they found a collision within a collision. One ancient galaxy crash set off a chain of events across hundreds of millions of years that eventually produced this neutron star collision, like a domino falling in slow motion across the entire age of the universe. These findings were published in a well-respected science journal called the Astrophysical Journal Letters, led by astronomer Simone Di Chiara from Penn State University. This is the journal where serious, reviewed, verified discoveries get officially announced to the scientific world. Mystery 1. Why do some giant explosions in space have no visible home galaxy? Answered. The host galaxies exist. They are just tiny, so small and faint that normal telescopes completely missed them. They were invisible, not absent. Mystery 2. How did gold and platinum end up in old stars at the far edges of galaxies? Answered. Neutron star crashes were happening in these tiny hidden galaxies, and gas streams floating between galaxies, not just inside big galaxies. The crashes scattered gold and platinum across enormous distances, far further than anyone had expected. One explosion, one impossible location, 2 answers, published in one of the world's most respected science journals. And here's the part that really gets me. This tiny galaxy, the one that nobody knew existed, had been sitting there for hundreds of millions of years, quietly, invisibly, building stars, until finally it had something to say. And when it spoke, it answered 2 questions that had been open for years. The universe had the answers all along. We just needed better eyes. So let's bring it all together. 2 dead stars, called neutron stars, each one heavier than our sun but smaller than a city, had been slowly spiraling toward each other for millions of years inside a tiny, invisible galaxy that nobody knew existed. On September 6, 2023, they finally crashed. NASA's 4 telescopes caught it. Scientists traced it back, and in doing so, solved 2 mysteries that had been sitting open for years. This discovery was published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters, one of the most respected science publications in the world. Not a theory, not a guess. Verified, reviewed, published science. Space is not sitting quietly up there waiting for us to figure it out. It is constantly crashing, colliding, building and destroying. And every now and then, it drops a clue. We just have to be paying attention. If you enjoyed this, subscribe. Share it with someone who thinks space is boring. I promise this will change their mind. Drop a comment. Which mystery surprised you more? The invisible galaxy or the gold? I want to know. See you in the next one.